Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Westkiss Hair. Shout out to you Westkiss for sending me this unit. And y'all, Westkiss came through with the goodies, honey, with the headbands. Like literally they came through, honey. Do you see these headbands? Yes, girl. Okay, so the unit I will be reviewing today is their water wave or just curly. I think it's curly unit. And it is 12 inches long, and as you guys can see, I'm showing you the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back with adjustable straps, and it is those little bitty combs, and it also has that little Velcro band that comes with all of the headband wigs. Now, I'm not really gonna put the wig on camera, but you guys probably basically know how the headband wigs go, honey. I've done them a million times, so I figured I would get rid of that for you guys. So right here, I am styling the unit, and as you guys can see, I am applying water and some Cantu curling mousse. And yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style the wig, and if you are interested in any more details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Alright love bugs, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking right now was sent to me by Westkiss Hair. Shout out to you Westkiss for sending me this unit. Honey, Westkiss sent your girl a bunch of headbands, like literally a box full of like headbands and stuff. I was super excited. I thought when I got the box and then I got the wig bag, and I was like, did they send me 2 wigs? I don't remember saying 2 wigs. And I opened up the box and it was just a box full of goodies. So shout out to you Westkiss, okay, for the goodies. Your girl loves some goodies, okay? Okay, so let me get into this wig. So this wig is their headband wig, curly hair, headband wigs, human hair with headbands. Child, I kid you not, this is what it says on here. And this is a curly texture. And they have on here the lengths ranging from 10 inches to 30 inches. Now, I really wanted a shorter type of bob type vibe, so I did ask for 12 inches. So this unit that I am wearing is 12 inches. If you did get it in 12 inches like I am rocking, that will be $95.48. And yeah, the headbands that they have on here, you get 1 free headband. You can get the brown one or you can get the white. So I'm guessing I have on the brown, and then they have the white one, which looks like this. So you can either get this one or this one. I prefer these types of headbands, y'all. Now they also did have the little princess headband and all of that, so I'm gonna show you guys that as well. But yeah, these are just like my go-to, because like I say in almost all of these type of videos, girl, your girl ain't got no edges, okay? So I gotta hide this. I have to hide what I got going on under here, okay? So I can't really do that princess tiara. I can't do that. She can't do that right now. One day, but not right now. So anyways, yeah, those are your options as far as headbands go. So it has on here hair texture curly. The color is natural black. It's 250% density. Is the lengths range from 10 to 30 inches long. a headband made of ice silk fabric, 2 inches wide. You will get a cute free headband. And then they just give you guys like the shipping and all of that. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any shedding or tangling with this wig thus far. That doesn't mean at some point that it won't, but right now, honey, she's all good. Okay, girl, she's all good right now. So yeah, and it's shorter. It's a shorter length, and in my opinion, when the hair is shorter, then it's just, you know what I mean? It doesn't tangle or shed as much as it would if it was longer or even of a different texture. So yeah, that's that with that. And yeah, honey, it's a headband wig. Like, it ain't a whole lot going on. So I'm gonna give you guys the cap construction. It does come with 3 combs. It's those little bitty combs. 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, I think, with adjustable straps, as well as the little elastic, not elastic, I always say elastic, Velcro band thing, honey. You guys know what I'm talking about. That is the construction. I could be wrong, girl, because I've been wrong before. If I'm wrong, you guys, whatever you saw at the beginning is what it is. Okay, girl? That's what it is. So yeah, that is pretty much that. I obviously don't have to do a lint check. I hate that I wore black now. This is all of the hair right here. So I hope you guys can tell where it stops at. I'm looking over here because my monitor is right here. So I'm hoping you guys can tell that that's where it stops. If you are interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, honey, if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know I'm a Westkiss stan, honey. Okay, I'm a Westkiss stan. I have not met a Westkiss unit that I did not like in one way, shape, or form. Okay, so this one is definitely no different. I am definitely feeling this unit. I think it is really, really cute. I love the length. I prefer wigs that are about this length. Like right now, it is about to start getting cold. Even here in Bama, it's about to start getting cold. So yeah, I will prefer a longer length. Just because of the season, but I love, this is like my favorite lengths. Like, I love hair that stops right here. It just does something to me, girl. Okay, I'm feeling it. So yeah, I have no complaints. As far as what I did to it, I sprayed some water on it, and then I went in with my Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse, and this is what I use on most of my curly units. I did that, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 4-3-60, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. If y'all can tell that my shirt is unbuttoned, honey, child, don't judge me. Okay, don't judge me. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Is it a look? Is it a vibe to you? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, that's it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the comments for your convenience. Not in the comments, child. Down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.